changing the tires, Model 3. I'm going to show you how it's done, what you need, what you should do, just the basics. Let's go. Not a bad idea to shine those tires up when you need to, and when they're off, it's easy.
It's the best time, right?
Make sure when you're putting your tires down, rim side up, you don't want to scratch your rims. As you see, they stick out, so if you put them down on the asphalt or the concrete, you're gonna scratch them. Don't be stupid, protect your shit. 5-bolt pattern. Got some Michelins we're throwing on. 18-inch wheels. And I got these little pucks here. They're for putting under the car. I'm gonna show you how we do that. You're gonna need socket set,
We can still do it.
torque wrench.
Getting your tires.
If you're really fancy, tire marker so you can mark your tires. You're gonna need a jack. Get something that can hold your car, proper weight capacity. This one's gonna do the job. I'm gonna put the puck onto here, and then we're gonna slide it under. So that's where your puck goes. There's a little hole for it. Plug it in. Plug it into there. Off you go. Allows more of the frame to get the weight on less of a pressure point. So before you jack up, you're gonna wanna remove your hubcap. And that's it. They pop in, clip in, see you later.
Always make sure that the hole in the hubcap lines up
With the needle
for inflating your tire,
inflation.
or else it'll be a hard.
Exactly. And then you want to loosen these bad boys a little bit while it's still on the ground, or else you're not going to be able to do it in the air. Really, you have a harder time because the tire spins. So you give them a couple little turns and get them loose, lift it up and pop the tire off. So wheels are loose, the nuts, jack is in place, it's ready to go up. We're gonna get it up on the pump now. So you're gonna wanna give it just enough clearance so it gets off the ground. Once the wheel can turn, you know you're good. We've got our handyman Joe here, proud owner, Tesla.
Right on.
Giving
Right on,
us,
bang it down.
giving us the tutorial here today on his beautiful Tesla Model 3.
Did you mention to
we're
put
almost
2x4s on the tires on the other side?
And yeah,
just
we'll
to,
show you that too. So
it doesn't roll.
So just for precautions here, we have some 2x4s under the wheels, just so it doesn't want to roll away and gives you an easier time, the car rocking back and forth, it stays put. And then you get your wheel up here on the jack, and we're pretty much there now. As you can see, we're almost cleared. You can almost trim the wheel. Tires off. Came off the right rear. We're being all fancy, label it RR, so you know for the next time what to put on. Makes it easier. That's it. Your nuts. Same thing. You just want to put them on hand tight. Okay. So, tires on.
Good?
Yep, good. We're gonna bring it down nice and slow on the jack. Since we have limited grip, we're using a pair of vice grips there, pliers. So it gives you a smoother transition on the way down. Now that they're down, we're gonna go get our torque wrench. So for this car, it's recommended 129 foot-pounds. So that's what we got it set to, 129. And you're gonna want to put them on cross thread, so here to here to here to here to here, something like that, so they get just put on a little nicer. Make sure you're the click clank on your torque wrench and you're good.